Good morning. What are we doing today, Sammy? Washing the windshield. Well, you can tell it is Saturday here in the park. There is tents everywhere. I'm parked pretty close to the pavilion, and they've been playing music on a big speaker amplifier or whatever. Not music, live music, not like playing the radio or stereo, but they've got guitars and singing and microphones, and it is a happy time for these people. I guess that's the weekends. People come, and the nomads, they leave. That's what I'm doing. I'm leaving for the day. I'm going to go find something to do outside the park. I thought about going fishing today because you don't have to have a license this weekend here in New Mexico. Well, I saw that in Texas too this morning on Facebook. But it's already getting warm outside, and I think I passed a casino on the way back from, on the way to and from Gallup. So I'm gonna go, I think I'm gonna go check it out. Just give me a little bit of different outside the park, indoor, check out a different casino here in New Mexico. And but before that, I need to dump and get water. Well, I can't get water here. I have to go back up there, but I am gonna dump because tomorrow is a travel day. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. That'll be out of the way. And then when I come back in this afternoon, I'll get water. Alright, I'm at the dump station. Sammy, I'll be right back, okay? Okay? Alright. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, I was like, it's not focusing. That is gorgeous. Cows in the middle of the road. Well, not in the road. Don't come out here. All right, thank you. So pretty, so pretty. Look at those mountains. I just wish that train wasn't there. It is so pretty. Yeah, it's beautiful. All right, I am at Fire Rock Navajo Casino. It is just west of Gallup, New Mexico. And it's on Interstate 40. So I'm gonna go in here and check it out. Fire Rock. Look at this cart. It's unmanned. It delivered the food. The waitress came out and put the food on the table. Now the cart's going back in. I have never seen such a thing. Okay, I'm having their special today. Crab legs and corn. That's it. That's all you get. That's a lot of crab though. Look at these rocks. These rocks. This is Red Rock Park. Look at these mountains. I'm sorry, Sammy, I got in your way. Pyramid and Church Rock hiking trails. Look at those mountains. They're just beautiful. This is a campground I'm going into. We'll see what they've got. Check that out. It is so cool.
In 600 feet, turn right to stay on Outlaw Road.
I need to kill my GPS because she's going to just keep talking to me and interfering. Those trees are blooming. There's a waterfall down that at one point. I'm guessing that's Church Rock up there. Look at that mountain. And this is a post office. Church Rock, New Mexico. Well, very interesting. In an RV park. That's pretty funny. Look at those mountains. Look at those mountains. Beautiful. Beautiful. Isn't that pretty? This is a rock. Red rock. Hi, Sam. Hi, baby. And, as you saw, I had the crab dinner. I played probably 20 minutes and won enough to pay for most of my crab lunch. So, it made it more affordable. Otherwise, I don't think I'd have done it. So, anyway, had fun in that 20 minutes. Let's see. I figured I'd played and made enough to pay for most of my meal. So I decided to go eat. And after I ate, I decided, yep, I'm leaving. I'm good. Scratched the itch and paid for part of my lunch. So that was good. So now I'm headed back to camp. It's about 84 degrees. It was getting a little warm in the camper for Sammy, so I decided, yeah, let's just hang it up. Oh, come on. Why did you not pull over? Why did you not pull over? I think I have about a 35-minute drive, but it was a nice little outing. I hadn't been anywhere in a few days and I get antsy. I got to move, I got to go. So, anyway, headed back to camp. That was a fast little adventure day. Not a lot of exciting and not a lot of things to record video.